Hi, Pippets here. We're doing a live stream and a hosted race Saturday, the 16th of August. So tonight at 6 p.m. So I just wanted to show you what you need to do. So if you want to race, you want to join in, then please do go to iRacing. I'm on the home screen at the moment, but you look on the left-hand side here and we want to go down to hosted. If you click on that, you'll see this is the race we've got. It's not showing with a timer yet, because obviously it hasn't started. But when we get to 6 p.m, this should go live. You click on it, and we'll click on one of these others, and it should just show you what to do. We click on it like this. You register. If it asks for a password, I'll put the password up on the screen now, but it'll be unlucky. So if it asks for a password, you put it in, you register, and then it's just like any other race you're in. We've got a practice session of half an hour. Then we've got some qualifying and then a 20-minute race. So it should be great fun. Looks like a great track. And what we'll do now is we'll just have a bit of an AI race on that track just to see what it's like. But this is what you need to do. I'm going to withdraw from that race before I end up going into this guy's server. But yeah, you look for the hosted bit here. You'll see here you can search and just search for Pit Bits and I should come up. But I've got mine sorted by start time. If you haven't, then you can search or just do it by start time, and it will show up. And here's some other stuff that's going on there. So let's have a look. Try the track out. We'll do a quick 12-minute race in the V with some AI and see how we get on. I'll see you on the track.
Waiting on the final car to grid.
Okay, we're on the grid. I've set the AI to its highest level. I'm 10th on the grid. Let's see if we can make some progress. I very rarely race AI, so this will be quite interesting. See if they progressed a bit, see what the highest level is like. I'm guessing it'll be mixed speed, and there should be some we can get past. Obviously, we've got the slipstream as well, which will really help. Need to remember which way the track goes. Gosh. First lap, hold tyres, obviously.
Clear on the left.
Okay, they're not messing about, are they? Where are we? We're still 10th. Okay, so we've not really got anywhere yet. Anyway, lots of long straights on this track. Gosh, I've come into this cold. This is sort of real time. I haven't done any practice yet, so this will be good practice for tomorrow. Hopefully when we've got some people racing with us, I will add some AI, so we'll have a bit of a packed grid, even if we haven't got that many. I can see we've got, I think, 7 so far. It'd be great to have some more.
Left side.
Okay, this is not a place to overtake.
Still there, hold your line.
AI don't care, do they?
Still there.
Okay, still there, so maybe you can go side by side through there then.
Clear on the left.
Okay, I've lost a place. Now then, I can't remember if this is just flat out. I think it probably is. Yeah, it is. This is going to be fun. Look at them all. So you only ever come down to third, you never go any further, although they seem to be. Look at them all together. This is really hard, isn't it? This is not like racing human beings. But this is where we need to start making some progress, really. On the straight, although they are fanning out a little bit, aren't they? Having a go at each other. It's only a 12-minute race, so we haven't got long. Just dropping out the slipstream a little bit here. Interestingly. Let's see what we can do.
10 minutes to go.
Okay, we're right with them. Now this is a key bit. I don't know what I need to do, how much I need to ease off. A bit,
Left side.
but not as much as they did.
Stay on the right.
All right, gosh.
Still there, hold your line.
Bit of contact.
Clear on the left.
Okay, that's going to be interesting tonight, isn't it? I think they slowed down more than most people would there.
32.233.
There's a lot of flat out, but there are some challenging bits as well. Probably braked a bit late there. Got sucked in. Okay, let's see. Can we do anything here? Doesn't look like it, because normally when we come here in the season, it's the shorter track, isn't it? Okay,
Car on your left.
going up the inside there.
You're on the left.
Got them. Now let's get the slipstream. We didn't get it last time. There we go. So we can see we're going quicker now. We've definitely got the slipstream. I wouldn't have said there's room to overtake here, but clearly there was last time around. So we're 7th, made some progress. Yep, just about. Flat out through there. Let's see what we can do here.
Car on your left. Clear. Left side. Clear on the left.
I'm
Car
coming
on
down
your
to
left.
second,
Keep to the right.
which is a mistake.
Left side.
I've lost the slipstream now as
Still
well.
there.
I need them to
Stay on the
come
right.
across, don't I? Really? Like that. That's better.
Still there.
Nearly 9th now. What's going on?
Stay on the right.
Right, this is all a bit tight.
Keep to the right.
Ugh,
Clear.
9th. Okay. Now then. They were a bit slow through here, weren't they? They're a bit slow again, so
Left side.
got a better
To the
run.
right. You're on the right. 3
I
wide.
think they're set so they
Car on
won't
your
bang
left,
into
2
you,
wide.
which is good.
Still there.
Obviously, when we're racing, then we'll have no such guarantee, will we? But
Still there.
anyway, 6th now.
2.70.
So I don't want to break too late, and he's still got someone on my left.
Still there. Hold your line.
Gosh, you can hear they've got some interesting throttle application, haven't they? Did you hear them?
Stay on the right. Still there. Hold your line.
Oh, there's somebody else coming through now. I mugged it. You can hear that sort of strange.
Still there. Hold your
Engine
line.
sound.
Clear on the left. Left side.
They're
Clear.
all with me again, so I'm back to 8th again. I'm not really doing very well here, am I?
Left side. Still there.
Now what's he doing? Well, I don't know what he was doing,
You're on
but
the
he
left.
just eased off, so... Sorry. I'm going to keep going.
Car on your left. No damage. Car looks clean.
No damage, that's good. Well, I have turned damage off, so we'll be okay tonight. I thought it'd be quite nice if we could all just keep going if we can. As it's just a bit of fun. Don't make that think you can just treat it as a demolition derby. That's not what we're looking for. We're looking to have a bit of fun. Okay. So that was our first sort of clean run through that section, but we have lost out, haven't we? So I'm thinking we'll probably close in that first section, or the last corners of the race, won't we? We'll close in, although we have got that. Yeah, getting mullered here. That. And we're going to go stick to the middle. Hopefully they don't try anything stupid.
Car right. Clear.
Okay. I'm hoping I'll close up here. And we can be back on them for the straight.
5 minutes to go.
Were we quicker through there? I think we were, yeah. Look at that, under a second. Back on them. I'm well away from those behind, look at that. Yeah, so clearly they're slow through there. And this is AI on the highest level, so this is as good as they get. I guess, like the leader, we're not leading, are we? So
5, 4.
they are doing okay. They're proving a challenge. This is quite good fun. I mean, I prefer racing real people, but it is quite good fun.
Car on your left. Still
But
there.
there's certain areas, aren't there, that they're slow. And other areas that they're quite quick.
Stay on the right. Clear on the left.
Is this the highest we've been? I think it is. 6.
You have about 5 laps of fuel left. Left side.
So they suddenly
right.
slow there, don't they?
Keep to the right.
So I need them to come across and then I pick up the slipstream. Otherwise I'm going to get stuck behind this guy. Okay, well I'm going to have the inside for the right-hander, aren't I? He's going to have the inside for this left-hander.
Stay on the right.
Bit of a touch. Gone a bit wide, but I'm still there.
The next car's the leader. Clear on the left. Left side. Clear on the left.
Okay, let's pick up his slipstream then. See if I can go past. I think there's going to be a lot of this tonight.
Car on your left.
See if we can leapfrog him then.
Stay on the right. You're losing on the car in front. The gap is 1.9 seconds. Still there.
Still there. Bloody hell, they don't give up, do they? We know how slow they are through this bit, don't we?
Stay on the right. Clear. Left side.
Okay, we can see
Still
they're
there.
slow.
Hold your line.
Bloody hell, he's not
White
giving up,
flag.
is he? White flag, okay.
Still there. Hold your line.
Are we going to get any more spots? I don't think we are.
Still there. Hold your line.
He's right there.
24.444. You're in 4th position. Doing great. Really good job. Keep to the right.
Come on.
Still there. Hold your
He
line.
doesn't want to let me go. Bloody hell.
Clear on the left. Car right. Clear. Car on your left. Clear.
Oh dear. Oh dear. Well, that hasn't worked out, has it?
There's an incident ahead.
Well,
Car on your left. Clear.
was that my fault? I don't know. Maybe. Anyway, let's see how many more we can get. We're 34th now. Oh dear. Well, at least we got a slipstream. I mean, I think I was just moving to the inside and I don't know what he was doing. That didn't look like my fault, but anyway. Let's see what we can do here. Let's throw caution to the wind, shall we?
Car right. Clear on the right. Car right.
Hey, that didn't work. Okay. That didn't work. Maybe I did need a bit of caution.
Car behind is closing on you. The gap is 3.1 seconds.
Okay, 36 now.
Your car looks fine. No damage to report.
There we go, no damage, that's good. Okay. Well, I need to practice a bit more then, I think, for tonight. I do need to be a bit more cautious. 36, so not where I was hoping to finish. I thought maybe a podium might be on, but clearly not. 2 seconds behind this red car as well. We're going to get him because he's they're slow into this final section, aren't they?
The car behind is closing on you. The gap is 2.8.
Okay, so we can go around there a lot quicker, can't we? Look at that. How much we're closing up. Look at that. Closing up pretty quick, but not enough. Not enough. Okay, well, we'll take that. 36. I think that's my lowest finish ever in any race, but just a bit of fun. So that's what we've got to look forward to tonight. So I will add in some AI. I'll put them at the strongest level because I think we'll be able to keep up with them.
There's the flag.
But yeah, please do come along if you get the
Bring it back to
chance.
the pit
Either
where
watch
we're
the
going.
stream or join in the race. And we can have a bit of fun. Anyway, hopefully I'll see you next time at the track.